So guys, may natanggap tayong email sa ating Google AdSense. Sabi dito, uh, Google Payments, find your tax reporting documents online. Ayan, so you can now find your 1042 for the tax year 2023 online. So, i-manage natin yung tax info natin. May panibago na naman kasing tax na i-update natin. Sabi dito, manage tax info. Your tax relationship with Google is based on the tax information you submit the information in your payments profile. So, to avoid any delays on your payout and to make sure the right amount of your tax withheld, make sure to provide your tax info as soon as possible. So, Google may be legally required to collect your Singapore tax information because it's where you earn income or receive payout. Adding your tax info will help determine the correct withholding amount applied to you. So, mag-a-add po tayo ng tax natin through dito naman sa Singapore. So, click lang natin tong naka-highlight na kulay blue, add tax info. Then, makikita yon, sabi nito, for your start, expect to take 5 to 10 minutes. So, titira dyan, magbasa na lang po kayo. Then, kita nyo yung start form. Click natin yung start form. Ayan, so, sabi dito, manage tax info Singapore tax info. So, business info, what is your business type? Ibig sabihin, kung individual, partnership, trust, or other. So, dito lang tayo sa individuals, guys. Do you have a permanent established in Singapore? No lang ang ilalagay natin kasi wala naman tayo. Are you registered for Singapore goods or services? No. So, no lang ang ilalagay natin. Kung yes yan, may lalabas dito na kailangan yung fill upan. Pero, no lang tayo guys kasi wala naman. So, are you eligible for tax exemption? No. No lang tayo lahat guys. So, ayan. Pagka fill up natin yan, mayroon dito submit. Submit na natin. Your tax information has been submitted. So, na-submit na guys. So, ayan na. Your tax information has been submitted. So, kung i-update mo yan, updated. Ayan o, accepted na po siya na never expire. So, wala nang daw expiration to. Pwede kang mag-update. Ayan. So, okay na po yan guys. Yung ating tax info sa Singapore. So, ganyan lang po ang pag-fill up guys. So, kung i-check natin yung ating Google AdSense, try natin i-check yung ating Google AdSense. Ayan guys, so tingnan natin yung ating Google AdSense guys. So continuous tayo sa Google AdSense natin guys. Yan. So, yung may 3 lines dyan, buksan natin. Punta tayo sa ating payments. Tapos, to payments info. So, your tax info for Singapore has been accepted. So, ayun na guys. So, okay na yung ano natin. ating nagawang additional tax info. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, subscribe, and share na rin po. Maraming salamat. God bless all.